Cuma bagus.
Jelek. Orang cenik, sih jelek cenik orang, tapi fun.
Small wave but fun.
Small wave but fun. Hihi.
Here we are. Uluwatu surf villa. Let's go today. I'm at Uluwatu surf villa. Using the private access. Kok opak aja.
Let's go. Mr. Smiley Man.
Yeah.
Kopral. Kopral today.
Adik UYE. Wow. You look so good. It's a bit cloudy but still fun, I think. And the villa is so nice. It's the best view ever in Uluwatu. Let's go. Good. Here, we surf here. Oh, look at this set. Woo! Some 3-footer. Why no one catch it? Oh, someone there. Liu Ye, you ready, bro? You okay? You okay? You're alright, man. Let's go, let's go. What'd you say? You know,
I know, I'm trying to quit. I'm trying to quit for years.
Try to quit for surf, yeah?
Ah, yeah, terrible for you. Nobody do it. Don't even think about trying to do it.
It looks fun today.
Pick up a beer. Do that.
Let's go, James, out there. See you out there.
Yeah.
Alright. So guys, you was asking me always why my GoPro is not leaking by water at the front, because I put this one, you know, the tutorial special for you guys. So here I always use the GoPro case, the waterproof case, because it's I always break my GoPro before because I not use the case, because the salt water is easy to break the electronic, you know. And then here at the front here, the lens, I put the, you know, the toothpaste. Just put it here a little bit and break it like this. And then when you go to the water later, you just wash it, this one, and then it's gonna be good. And then no water is gonna be dropped here. Or if you not using the GoPro case, just put at the lens here, the toothpaste a little bit, and then put it in the water, wash it. It's gonna be work. This so far it's worked well for me. So all of, I think mostly of my video is no water drop out of lens. So that's the little tutorial from me, and then we're gonna go surf. Looks fun out there. Let's go. Let's go. So today I'm gonna ride my twin fin, the Kingfisher from Drifter Surf. For sure the good fish, my favorite fish board so far. Now using the best leg drop by John or John Paisel, I think, make it with this one. It's fair. This list is good so far. I love this list. Very so nice. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. 1, 2, 3, jump! Wow, nice one. Hello. Oh. 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 Woohoo. Small day, but spicy. Look at that. Some fun one. Let's go. Oh, that's long one. Nice! Woohoo! Oh, so far. Oh, that's nice. Whew. Wait, why you not go, bro? It's your wave. Oh, let's go, let's go. Ah. Bro. Woo! Oh, scratchy. Woo! Woo! Whoa! This is secret, so good. Pew, 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 pew. Let's go. We'll go together. Woo! Lindas, lindas. Lewatin, lewatin. Lewatin. Ya, bagus. Woo! That was nice. That was fun wave with my friend. The guy just yelling, "Hey! Let's go sharing the stock, you know? Sharing, carrying, one wave with 3 people, 2 people. No worries. After surfing, all about having fun, you know? Don't be so serious. You're not at a world champion. You're just out having fun. Woohoo! Wow. Woo! Woo! Let's go! Bagus. Yes. Okay. Aduh, orang di batu dah. Oh, he's on the rock. Yeah. Woo! Woo! Careful, dude! Oh! Woo! Woo, beautiful. So beautiful. Sunrise in the sky. Wow! Woo! Beautiful day, beautiful sunset, beautiful waves. That's all you need. All about fun. Woo-hoo! Woo! Woo! Yoo-hoo! It's good, huh? Ah, it's super heavy. Yay! Yoo-hoo! Yeah! It's a good day. Still a good sunset. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoy. And everything here just happened, but no one is hurt and no one is angry. We're having fun all. We already say sorry to each other and they're having fun too. See you guys, enjoy the video and see you. Woo! Oh yeah! Yeah. Fresh after shower, bro.